AI has completely changed the world throughout 2023. And with how powerful AI is, you can do one of two things. Let it replace you, or let it help you make more money than you've ever seen before. And I'm about to show you 3 untapped side hustles that you can capitalize and start today. And head into 2024 making more money than you've ever seen without putting in long hours and manual labor. And real quick, if you find yourself liking this video and even plan on trying one of these side hustles out, don't be afraid to show some love with that like button. Now, the first side hustle that isn't taken advantage of enough but can help you make some insane money in 2024 is faceless YouTube. Some of the biggest accounts on YouTube are run by everyday people and are bringing in thousands of dollars a month, all without showing their faces or putting too much effort into the posted content. And this side hustle has become more lucrative and attainable with the help of AI. When you just think about it, the fact that Google owns YouTube, that should just tell you everything that you need to know when it comes to the potential that you have to go absolutely crazy on this platform. With billions of searches happening every single day on Google and YouTube, you just have to pick a type of content that you like and then just let AI help you do the rest so you can get views and put money into your pocket. So for example, if you like motivational content and you're looking to make content that really gets people motivated to work out without having to be on screen talking or trying to be the motivator yourself, you could use tools like nvideo.io to create videos that fit the content style that you're looking for. So basically all you have to do is just head over here to the website, type in exactly what you're looking for, and it's going to turn it into a usable video specifically for YouTube. Once you have the video, now all you would have to do is put in some speech or motivational voice clips in for the audio, and you've now created a video that you can get paid for, all in just 10 minutes. Now, it is more than just creating the content and posting it. You have to make sure that you're getting views in order to get paid at all. And in order to do that, AI and SEO, or search engine optimization, are going to be your best friend. Like I told you before, Google owns YouTube. So that means that when people are searching for something on Google, any relevant YouTube videos will pop up under that search as well. And that's where you want to be. So in order to make sure that you're popping up when people are searching for motivational content surrounding working out, you're going to download a tool called Keywords Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere is going to give you the data that you need, where it's going to give you the search volume of a specific term. So you're able to see that data and then just optimize your titles, your descriptions, and tags with those keywords and make sure that your content is easily found through those searches. So for example, my how to start dropshipping video now has over 2 million views and it has the keyword dropshipping in it. And on Keywords Everywhere, I found out that dropshipping is a search term that has over 1.5 million monthly searches. So of course, I wanted to rank within that. Now in your case, you would just look for different terms with higher search volumes that fall within the type of content that you're producing. And once you stay consistent and you start ranking within those terms, before you know it, you could be seeing numbers like this on your revenue payouts, all without even showing your face. This next untapped side hustle is one that can help those of you who are looking to start making money right now do just that. And that's AI-powered copywriting. Big and small businesses are looking for ways to increase their visibility to customers online. And one of the best ways to increase that visibility for businesses is through blogging. But many small businesses do not have the manpower or the knowledge that it takes in order to help increase that visibility through blogging. There's another opportunity for you to create another source of income without having to do too much thinking or work, to be quite honest. Tools like ChatGPT-4 make this side hustle extremely easy to make this business needs extremely easy to make money from. Really, all you need is a convincing pitch to gain some clients, and then you can just let AI do the rest for you. So whether you're pitching your favorite hole-in-the-wall restaurant or you're trying to gain clients on sites like Upwork, the pitch that you give is going to be everything when it comes to if they want to work with you or not. So let me go ahead and give you some sauce real quick. I suggest that you always hit them with 4 main parts in your pitch. The first is just pointing out what you see they're struggling with. Secondly, give insight on how you're able to help with that. Third, talk about how their business will benefit from making that improvement. And fourth and lastly, pitch a service that you have that can help them start benefiting. Now, once you pitch your clients and you gain a few, the next part is actually producing the work and the results that you need for the client. So what you're gonna do is just head over here to ChatGPT-4, which will cost you about $20 a month. But to be real, that's a very small fee for what businesses are paying for a service like this, as freelancers on places like Upwork are making an extra $70,000 a year doing this. Now, once you're on ChatGPT-4, you're just gonna use it for pretty much everything that you need to help your client. So let's say that you're working with a client in the hair industry. You'll just head over here to ChatGPT and search something like, what are the most highly searched terms when it comes to hair? From there, you're just gonna take those terms that are relevant to the client that you have and tell ChatGPT to create you SEO-friendly blogs with the terms that you chose while including placeholders for backlinks. And just like that, you're able to pump out as many SEO-friendly blogs as your client paid for to help them increase visibility without spending hours on research and typing. It's a win for your client and a win for your pocket. Now, the last untapped side hustle that you can make money with in 2024 while using AI is by leveraging AI as a virtual assistant. In the past, being a virtual assistant typically meant that you were going to be spending hours on hours managing schedules, handling emails, and performing other administrative tasks for businesses. And although you'll still have those very important tasks while helping businesses run smoothly, AI has revolutionized the way that many of these tasks are carried out. By integrating AI with virtual assistants, efficiency is amplified, and the scope of services that you can offer is widely expanded. And we all know, the more value that you can provide, the more money that you can make. And virtual assistants are very valuable as businesses grow, because while small businesses grow, so does the need for automation. Entrepreneurs, CEOs, and even small business owners are constantly on the lookout for ways to streamline their operations. And you could be the one that can help them do that with the help of AI. With AI, tasks that usually take hours can be reduced down to minutes. Imagine sorting through thousands of emails or scheduling appointments instantly. So whether you need to offer customer service, scheduling, or deliverable content, you're able to do all of that without too much manpower from yourself. AI is like having 10 of you to do one single job. And by having the help that you need to do it, you're able to pick up more gigs and VA jobs from other businesses using your services as well. AI tools like chatbots are used throughout websites so that instead of you manually having to answer back to every inquiry that customers send, AI can use the information that's already on the client's website to help streamline help that you would typically give, freeing up your time to help other clients. And if you think a chatbot is something that you want to implement into your own virtual assistant services, or you want to even install one on your own store and you want a video of the best way that you can do that so your chatbot can give you real feedback and understand regular language, you already know what to do. Go ahead and leave down in the comment section something you want to go ahead and see with it, and I'll go ahead and drop a video about it soon. Now look, 2024 is the year that you can absolutely create multiple streams of income, as long as you look for ways to have AI help you do just that. You do not have to have that do-it-yourself mindset anymore, as having that mindset will truthfully only hold you back. The evolution of AI has made it possible for you to break into all kinds of different industries and make some serious money. The only question that is left is if you will capitalize on that or not. I hope that you do, because the opportunity is limitless. Now, I'm gonna leave you to figure out your next step. But don't forget that if you like this video and you wanna see more like it, that you go ahead and show me some love by smashing that like button and leave some comments down below. I'll see you all next week. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.
They gon' want a piece when you got it like that. Like Jake said,